So Kaushiki is sharing her screen.
Yeah, so actually I just made a uh, blog type using these things like the paragraphing, inserting the pictures, wrapping the text,
Great.
and using the bulletin and
And
doing the borders in the
you have applied footer also, as I can
yes,
see. Yeah,
yes,
great.
both header and footer I have applied,
Mhm. Header
and
also, great.
yeah,
Hmm.
and I have done a table also here
Very
where I
nice.
have used
Hmm.
the borders of the table and
Hmm.
sorting and making the text in the middle of the cells, inserting cells,
Great, great, great. Well done.
inserting rows and columns. Yeah, that's what I
Hmm.
did yesterday.
Very well done. Very well done.
Hmm.
So let's start with the other
Yeah,
part.
yeah.
Yeah. Happy to see
Thank you.
it. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. We have done with this home tab and we are working on insert. Still, there is one or two options left from the home tab. Let's do it quickly. Suppose I have written word in small letter or sentence case. Word allows us to change our text immediately in capital letter, lower case, toggle case, sentence case, anything. With a single click, you can convert your data into the desired option. One thing is left here, and from the border and shading. Yesterday we did border and shading. These are the borders in the first option that can be applied to paragraph or text. These are the options that we can apply to our paragraph or text. Along with it, we have page border. In page border, the border that we will select will be applied to our page. That will be again, we can apply it in number of ways, like you can apply this border to whole document or only this section, first page only, and leaving the first page, and in rest of the pages you can apply this border. For example, we are taking this border and applying it to whole document. Okay. Along with it, we also have one feature. When we are clicking on page border, there is an option art. These are predefined styles. You can pick any one and apply to your document. Okay, but from both option, only one can be applied at a time. If you are picking line option, then you can't apply art. If you are applying art, then you can't apply line option. You have to pick only one option at a time. And in the if you want any kind of shading in your text, then you will choose this option. For example, let's take a look. Okay, we are picking this one, border and shading. We will choose two color. First, the color which we want to fill, and in this how much percentage you want it for your shading, and this is the color of shading. For example, I'm picking this one. Apply to paragraph. Nothing. Yes, I have to change this option 20% solid. I have chosen this option, that's why there is a problem. Okay. Next. You will see whenever you apply a shading, a small dots line. I don't know why it is not applying here. We can try it here. Okay, let's try again. Select this part, border and shading. Hmm. Still, there might be some problem at my side, but you can try this option and it is working well. No problem in this section. After this, we're done table option. Any problem in table option?
No, no such problem as of now.
Okay. In table, we did this part that we can apply different styling option. These are the predefined style, and later on, if we want to customize them, we can customize these options from the left side options like header row, banded row, first row, and so on. And if you want to apply any kind of borders, you can choose simply from this position and apply as per the requirement. In this also. In the layout, we have the option regarding inserting rows, columns, cells, merging cells, splitting cells, and splitting our table. Along with it, we have the option of alignment and aligning the text. I think we have done this. Suppose I want to align my text in different ways. You can use this option. One more important option is repeat header rows. For this, I have to reshare my screen. Suppose we have a table which goes beyond number of pages. In that case, you just want to repeat your header row so that you can recognize how the things are working. Let's say, suppose you are having this kind of table which is going to page number 2. When we are moving to page number 2, as you can see, header row is not going to be repeated. To make it more readable, we can just add, click your table and select this option, repeat header row. Now you can see, select it, repeat header row. Oh, what is happening? Okay. Yes. So there was a problem in selection of content. Select your content and click on repeat header row. Your content will be already, you can see my header row is repeating in second page also. You can, it will be repeated automatically to page number 3, page number 4, page number 5, page number 6, and the process goes on. These are the
So,
all.
it will decide automatically how, I mean, where till what page the table is there, or
Yeah, it will, because we have opted this option repeat header. But the thing is, we in my case, this happened. I just selected first content and clicked repeat header row, and it didn't work. For making any row a header row, you have to select whole row and then click on the repeat header row. Where,
no? My question was, say like the table is there for 3 pages, and
hmm.
on the fourth page there are some paragraphs, text, normal things.
Then it
If
will
I
not go.
do
No. It will work in table only.
table only, yeah, okay.
Okay. These were the options related to our table. After that, we done shapes. Let's remove. We don't need it. We will work on this table. Okay. Yes. We done shapes in which we did almost all type of shape, that we have lines, rectangles, basic shape, arrows, and callouts. In callouts allows us to write things automatically in shape. But suppose you are having such kind of shape and you want to write something in this. So to we can use an word art option. It is a quite useful option. Simply select it Type your content. Place it here and you are ready to use it. Like yesterday we were talking about that we should make some banners, some pamphlets like thing. In that case, you can use this option quite well. Again, rest of the things remain same, like shape filling, outline, because it is a shape, and all the options work well with this word art option also. Text filling, text outline, which type of text effect you want to give your text. Okay, this is the simple one. And at the same time, if you these things also work with, as you are placing your text with the shape, you can send your text behind your shape, you can bring your shape in front of your text. For that you can use these options: bring forward, send forward. These options as per again your requirement, if you want to do these things. Working with this. Okay. Any doubt in this section?
No. So it is in insert and then
Yeah. First we did insert. From insert we opted shape. Like any shape. You can apply word art anywhere.
yeah.
Like
Once
word
we are
art.
going, once we are going, I mean, clicking any shape, it is automatically coming to this format, right?
Yeah. We are,
Mhm.
this is the writing content is word art.
Mhm.
Okay, and
Yeah.
if you don't want to place it on any shape, you can place it in normal page also. There is no such restriction.
Okay.
Okay, and
First, I thought that it could be done only in call out option. So
okay.
I didn't know that these texts can be inserted in any shape.
No,
So
no,
I thought
you
that it can be only go set in call out option only.
no. This word art option you can place it anywhere.
Okay.
Okay, yes, and one more thing. Yeah. And in some cases you don't want to insert this word art, you just want to add simple text. For that what you can do, you can click you can place shape of your choice. Let's place any star option, let it be suppose this is, and inside it we just want to write save. If we want to write directly, we can't write it. For this option in shapes we have text box.
Okay.
Click on this, place it inside the shape directly, or you can place it anywhere and then place it on the your shape.
Okay.
Okay, in this way again we can manipulate it, but now you can see it is showing us white color. Again you can change it from here.
Yeah.
Okay, means customization almost remains same for each shape.
Like only for banners and I mean, like call out options, that directly you can write the text
Yes,
within
only call outs allows us to write
call out.
directly.
Yeah. For all other shapes, we have to insert the text box inside.
Yes. That's why when we are using these shapes and word art works very well together. Okay, and after the shape, another useful option if you are working somewhere, smart art. Smart art, like suppose you have to present something in hierarchy format. Choose any shape, any layout of your choice. Pick it. For example, I am just picking the basic shape for reference. As I place it, again we have two tabs: design and format, and all the related options which are related to this smart art are highlighted. like what style I just want to implement, what color I want to implement, and how I want to place all these things. Let's take a quick to this. Suppose the style I just want is this one, and color, from color option, as you can see we have numerous option. I am opting this one. This is the layout I have decided, and again these are the hierarchy that we can we be having. And if suppose you don't want this tab, simply select it and delete it. In case you want to promote it or demote it, it means if we demote it, it means it will be lower in the hierarchy format, and if we promote it, it will be upper in the hierarchy. As you can see, our table is having two levels. First one is, let's just add some values in this. To add some value, one way is double click here and add value, or you can click on text pane. See, in text pane you have this hierarchy. Simply click here, your values will be inserted like this. You can opt any option whichever is convenient to you. Third, fourth, and fifth. In this case, you can see top is our top level hierarchy and fifth is the second level of a hierarchy. If I promote it, it will go to the top. If I demote it, it will again come at original position. Similarly, now my hierarchy is on the left hand side, top, second, third, fourth, and fifth. If you want it right handed, just click right to left. Things will be placed automatically changed as per your clicking. Then again in the format, if you want to change now in format, again you have the styling option. Suppose you just want to change shape here, simply choose from here any shape. Again, all these things are related to presentation. Whatever things you select, things will be turned as per your selection. Again, we have larger and smaller content. If you are clicking on larger, our tabs will be moving bigger and bigger. If we are clicking on smaller, tabs will be converted in smaller shape. Again, you can see we have the same options: shape fill, outline, effects, text fill, that you have done with other shapes. And in this option, you have number of choices from which you can insert this. In Smart Art, you have lots of options. You can choose any option and work on them. Like if you want any managerial hierarchy, you can opt this option. You want to show some relation, you can opt from here any circle process. Like you will use this Smart Art option in presentation purposes mainly. Clear, or is there any doubt?
Yeah, in this hierarchy thing, if we
Yeah.
want to add one more level, is there any option if you
Yeah,
want to add
yeah.
one more level?
Suppose, okay, we have picked this one. Suppose I just want to add one tab after this, below this thing. I will add shape. First, I will select my tab, then click on add shape. Automatically, you can add new tabs there. But the things will work where you are clicking, where you are inserting. If I am selecting this tab and adding shape, it will add like this, because it is the top of the hierarchy and it will add things here. And later on, if you want to move things, you can pick any tab and place it anywhere.
But say I want to do say on the lower level, the second text box is there. So lower level, the
In
second
second
text box.
row, in the second row.
No, the last row.
Yeah.
Last row, the second text box. If I want to make a hierarchy of again three text boxes from one
Add
text
three.
box. Okay, so
See.
we'll just add 3 and automatically it will be in a row, right?
Yeah, it will be in a row.
Okay.
Okay. Any other doubt?
No.
No? Okay.
No.
Okay. So, with this. Many times you will be working with Google and picking some information from Google and placing it in your document. And sometimes you have faced this situation, you are not able to copy your content from the internet and then place it in your document. Then what solution do you find? Many times we copy content from the internet and place in our documents, but sometimes some site doesn't allow us to copy things, but still we want to copy that content. How we can do it? Any idea? No. So again, let's say we want to copy this content. Are you able to see Google page here? Okay, I'm sharing my screen this time so that you are able to see it. Okay. Right now, I think my Google pages will be shown at your side.
Yes.
Okay. I have opened two documents. One is this Google one. We can take it as this is our content that we want to copy from the internet. And this is our Word document. I have opened two things simultaneously. We will copy content as a picture. We will click on screenshot. Now you can see it is showing me two options. One is available window and second one is screen clipping. If I click on available windows, it will show me my all my opened windows. Right now I have opened another Word document and Zoom meeting reference. Suppose if I click on Zoom one, my whole Zoom window have a screenshot. I have a screenshot of my Zoom window. But my requirement says that I don't want full screen. I just want a part of it. In that case, I will go to insert, go to screenshot, screen clipping. It is in grayscale or in some delighted content. Select my portion. I will select my portion and you can see I have content at my side. This way you can pick information as a picture from the internet and place it in your document, and later on you can again modify it as a picture only.
So after taking the screenshot, we can modify it, right? Inside, I mean the text.
It is a picture. No. It is a picture only.
Okay, so just as a picture, we have.
It means sometimes the necessity is this. We don't want to modify like some reading purpose. We want that content. Okay, so in that case, this is sometimes we just want some pictures and they don't allow us to download.
Yeah.
In all cases, this screenshot is quite helpful.
Okay. So, like it won't be the same like if they're allowing the copy and paste, there we can do a lot of changes, right? But this is the thing, it is just like a picture we'll be taking, screenshot things. Yeah, I got.
Screenshot. Yes.
Uh,
And
I was actually thinking of when you asked the question, I was actually thinking of that. Okay, there must be something where we can do that.
because actually it is quite helpful, because sometimes you just want to take only a few part of anything. You don't want
Yeah.
full screenshot, you just want a few part of anything. In that case,
Yes.
screen clipping is very helpful.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope this thing is clear.
So
Yes.
all the tabs under insert picture will work with it.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
when,
yes,
however we want to manipulate it or modify it,
yes.
we can.
Sometimes we just take things, and some watermark is there. Okay, and if you adjust their contrast or brightness, you will find that by losing some quality, you are able to hide
Mhm.
that watermark also.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I tried this. Okay. Another helpful option in insert tab is hyperlink. As we surf on internet, when we click on any word, our control is shifted to another web page. This thing
Mhm.
happens at every website that we visit. We can do this in Word also. First of all, I would like to save it. Save as a desktop. Okay, this is my main document. Suppose I have two files already named, which I have named first and second, and here I am writing this content first, second. What I just want that when I click on first, my first file should open, and when I click on second, my second file should open. It means I don't need to again go to first file, second file. I have made a list of my files and arrange them in another file. Simply by clicking, I can open them. This is an option, you can say, rearrangement or handling your things. Simply select your content. From the insert tab, there is an option link. Click here, and you can see here is the text to display. If you have not added any text, you can write at this place. Then choose your file which you want to open. Right now I just want first. Okay, now my text is in blue color and has an underline. Again, I am selecting second, clicking on link, choosing the another file, second. Okay. When I am moving my cursor to first or on second, it is showing me that you must press control. When I am pressing control, my cursor is turned into hand shape. Clicking on this, I am able to open my document. Now you can see this is the first file. And if I made a backlink with the main file, I can simply go there. Insert, link, I am text to display main file. Making link with main. Okay. Now with the same thing, now I am able to move between these two files. If I am clicking on second, I can open second document. As I have not made backlink, so I can't go back from this position. Simply I have minimized it. Any doubt in this part?
This is very confusing.
Confusing. Hyperlink means creating it. So I am giving you a general example. Suppose you have a list of candidates, okay, who have sent you so many resumes. You have made different files of each candidate. You will make a file in a table format. Suppose like this. Here you have written different names. Okay, you now this time what you want, that whenever you are clicking on Amit, the file related to Amit should open. This is your basic requirement. For that, what you will do, simply you will select Amit, go to insert, click on link, and select the file where you have stored information related to Amit. Let it be our first file again as our first document. Okay. Now you have a link.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Got it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So if we want, I mean, we cannot store big things in one page, like the one you told, the resume of, or any documents of students. So, like, we can do this hyperlinking. In one page, all the name of the students will be there, and we can hyperlink each name of the students with their documents or personal documents, informations like that we can do.
Yes, you can also take it as like you are typing a book in which you have different lessons or different chapters. Then you will make files for different chapters. Suppose you are having 10 chapters, you will create 10 files. Okay, and in one file what you will do, you will list chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and make a link with each text, with the chapter 1's link with chapter 1 file, chapter 2's link with chapter 2 file, so that it is convenient for the reader to move between these files.
Yeah, understood. Yeah.
Okay.
This is just to handle, very organizingly handling
Yeah,
document. Yeah,
document.
yeah,
When you just want to go, so what happens when you write, and suppose you are writing an article, and in between writing you are referring something which is related to other thing, and you have made suppose you have written another blog on that article. So when you are writing that particular word, you can select that component, make a link with that blog also. Things
yeah.
work
That's what
like.
we see in the blogs, right? In the middle of
Yeah,
the
yeah,
text,
yeah,
there's
yeah.
some new
Yes,
text,
yes.
and we
This
click
is the
there and
hyperlink. We can
okay.
make it like this.
Mm-hmm.
Right now we are just making link with the files, and you can create a link with the web page. You have the option there. Okay. I think meeting will start in 5 minutes. We
Mm-hmm.
can we restart it?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yes, we can.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Hmm. So we were working on this part. Again, we have two more option: cover page and blank page. Suppose you want, otherwise, if you want to add a new page, you just press enter and you are on the second page. And immediately, if you want to add one blank page, click here. New pages will be inserted in your document. In case you want to design a cover page, for that you have an option cover page. Like we have templates, this is similar to our templates. These are the pre-designed cover pages. Like you want to create a cover page for your book, you are creating a report, you are creating a project file. For these options, you can opt this cover page option. Choose any type. Suppose I am picking this one. It has predefined style. How the thing is, you just need to modify it. Simply click on any element and change it. For example, I am taking it as project report. The benefit of taking this predefined cover page is that you don't need to think about the style, how the other options will work. These are the pre-formatted, pre-designed. You can use them as it is. If you don't want any thing which is not required, simply select it and delete it. This thing. And if you want to add, you can add it. You have number of options. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. To remove this cover page, simply click on remove current cover page. Your cover page will be deleted. Again, there is an option drop cap. Suppose you are writing a content, you have seen this option in newspapers. I have to copy it so that I can use it. Okay. I have, suppose you are writing a long content and you want to highlight few initials. In this case, select your content, pick option drop cap. Right now it is selected as none, and you can see we have two styling option. In first one, you can drop your letter like this. It is like your first letter will be highlighted and 3 lines are dropped. And if you want to customize it, click on drop cap option. Right now it is taking 3 lines. If you want to increase them, 5. Okay. Can you see the difference?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Another drop cap option is in margin. It means your first letter will be separated from the entire content. First one is highlighted and rest are along with it. In the first one, first initial was dropped as per the number of rows that you have selected, and but in second, it will be aligned as per the whole content. See, we have selected, we have left 2 lines and dropping cap this thing. In margin, by default it is taking 3 lines. If we increase it from this option, 7 lines, it will move to 7 lines. And one more thing, if you want to create a difference between this initial and other text, just increase this distance from this place. And if you don't want anything like this, keep it none. Along with it, you can see we have a option object. Object means, suppose I am using Word and I just want to use some options of MS Paint. Instead of opening Paint and using Paint's toolbox and other content, I can open Paint inside MS Word. The thing is, you have to click Object. Yes. You can see there is a list of the different software which you can embed in your MS Word document. Here I am picking bitmap image. Okay. Bitmap image is what paints pictures. As you can see, I have this window. I am expanding it. Suppose I am writing something. Paint. Okay. Once your work is done with this part, close this window. You will see content is placed in your document as a object. Again, you can see when you click on format, it will be as a picture only. You can crop it, like you can see we have so many empty space along with it. Go to crop option and remove this empty space. Format, crop, as we have reduced its size. In this case, in this type, we can place it anywhere, easy to handle this thing. This way you can manipulate other things. You can play, if you have a, right now we have created this file as a new file. If you have any already inbuilt uh, paint file or any other document, you can also place it as an object by using the same option. For example, insert, go to object, create from file, and from this location you can pick a file whose content you want to place inside your document. Let it be main, that we can just create it and insert. Okay. We are in main and we are copying the content of main. That's why we are having this duplicacy of data. Did you get this tool, or is there any problem?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I got the tool, but uh, I understood that
Yeah.
this one browsing things. I understood that if we have something already saved and we want to put it in the Word, then we can simply browse it and put it. But I want to see those
Paint.
other options. You choose that bitmap thing. So any other option you can, if you can show me.
In create new Acrobat bitmap is the easy one. Suppose we just want Excel chart or Excel worksheet. Let it, we just want to create any Excel sheet inside Word document. Pick Excel worksheet. Okay. Excel sheet is here. On the top bar, you just see the difference. I have the options of Excel now.
And we can do our work in this Excel sheet,
Yeah.
right?
See, I am doing it.
Okay.
It means without opening any other source of Excel, I am just opening it here. And when I click outside it or close that window, in both cases, my object will be inserted in my Word document.
Okay. Yeah, understood.
Okay.
So we can do two things. Either we have any Excel sheet which is already saved, we can put it here, browse and
Yes.
put it here, or else we can make a new Excel sheet and we can put our documents here,
Yeah.
information here.
Suppose right now I'm creating, I want to insert Excel sheet, but which is created earlier. So I'm picking create from file, picking it from, do I have any? See.
Yes, understood. I mean, we can either we can do it from the saved files, or we can create a new Excel sheet anytime.
Yes, I think the file is lengthy and it is taking time. Okay,
That's okay.
mm,
Yeah.
macro file. Okay. Um, these two options are equation and symbol. I have to stop this thing. Yes. First one is equation and symbol. From the symbol part, you can insert any kind of symbol like a trademark, copyright, something. Because in font, we have only styling option. You can't insert anything like this. It would be better because. Give me a minute. File is loading. Okay. Let's finish with this part. The file is lengthy and it is taking time, and Word is not allowing us to close it. It would be better if we open another file. Any doubt up to this point? Yes.
No, this is absolutely okay. One more thing, I'm just seeing up there is a signature line. So that is for doing any electronic signature, repeating the electronic signature. Is it like that?
Let me check. In insert option, na? Microsoft
Yeah,
signature. Yes.
the signature line. Just I can see that.
Email address. For example, any. Just I'm typing from. Okay. Digital signatures are different from this thing. This means we have some here we have some predefined, or you can say easy quick parts. Company name, abstract, author, like this.
Yeah. Okay.
This is a part of this content only.
Okay.
Okay, and we were at this point. Okay. If you want to insert any theorem like this, any formula, mathematical formula, then we can opt these options. As they are difficult to write, you can directly place them inside your document. Simply pick it and place it.
I think your screen froze. I mean,
Let me check.
yeah, because I'm not able to, I mean, whatever you're writing, it is not reflecting on the screen.
Same here.
Are you able to see it?
Now we can.
Okay.
Now we can see. Yeah.
Okay. This is a part equation part. These are the mathematical equations. If you want to insert them, just pick them and place them and use them.
Okay.
Simple.
So can we create anything from our own, or we have to select from them?
These are the predefined, and if you
Okay.
have to modify them, simply you can write anything. It means like you don't need to add again and again alpha beta symbols and these things. As you can see, when we have inserted this theorem, we have lots of mathematical options on the top bar.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you can pick as per again our need and use them. This is the same case with this what we call, let me erase it. With symbol, and these are the some few commonly used symbol, and if you want more symbol, click on more symbol and choose symbol of your choice. It will take time. Okay. Yeah.
Showing not responding. Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And in this case, as you choose different font, you will be having different symbols. Every font has a different kind of symbol. Choose select a font, select
Okay.
styles, then you'll be having simply click them and click on insert tab. Suppose I just want to add this copyright symbol. I click on it.
Yeah.
It will be inserted as many time I will click. As you
Oh,
can
okay.
see. Okay. This is quite simple one.
Yeah.
Okay. I think this part is clear. Now, suppose you are creating a document and you want to add watermark. For this part, now we are moving to design tab. In design tab, we have this option watermark. Select it and you'll be having such kind of predefined options. Confidential, do not copy. Select it and automatically watermark is inside your page. But sometimes we don't want predefined text. We want to insert our customized watermark. Then move to custom watermark. First, we are going to text watermark. I am writing text to be displayed. From here, you can choose font, color for your watermark, diagonal or horizontal. Then apply. As you can see, watermark is applied in our document. In some cases, we just want to add any picture. The procedure will be same. Click on custom watermark, click in picture watermark and select picture of your choice. Difficult thing. Let's take a picture. At desktop, do we have any picture? Let it be. Insert. Apply. Close. As you can see, this picture will work as a watermark. So choice is yours whether you want to add a picture or you want to add text. If you again styling option or designing option is page color, select a color of your choice. Your page will be quite colorful. And if you want to add some effect, click on fill effects, one color effect, two color effect or presets. I am choosing two color effect, picking two colors. And from here I am just placing diagonal values. This kind of thing, and or from center. This one. Okay. Now you can see a picture or fill effects will work as a background. Again, you can modify this option, transparency in some cases. If it is Right now we can just move to dark or lighter shade, but in some options you will be having this transparency option. As you move to greater side, your content will be in darker, but if you move to lowest side, your content will be more visible. Apart from it, you can apply in background texture, any texture, or you can apply any pattern. For in pattern again, you can choose different colors, mix them and apply them. They will work well. And the last option is again picture. Select a picture, insert it, and okay. You can place any picture, anything like this. So if you have any doubt, you can ask.
No, it's clear.
No, I think we are good.
Actually, even I was also thinking I'll ask today how to color a whole page if we are doing any, advertisement
Hmm.
or banner or something like that. If we want to color a whole page, how do we do? So, anyways, I
Okay.
got that answer.
We will be having class tomorrow, but won't be able to take class on Saturday and Sunday. We'll try to take
Yeah,
on.
okay. Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Okay. So that's for now. If you have any query, you may ask.
No, as of now, I don't have any query. Let me try out something today. So, if I have any doubt, I can ask you tomorrow.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, are we
Thank
going
you.
to continue the word tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank
Okay.
you,
Thank you.
Prabhu.
Thank you. Welcome.